In this tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to use PROPERTYWARE. So basically, PROPERTYWARE is a comprehensive property management platform built for single-family rental portfolios, offering tools for leasing, accounting, and maintenance. Now, if we go to pricing, we can see that it's gonna be around $1 per unit per month, and they offer basic, plus, and premium plans. So depending on your needs, you can see here what each plan includes. So after you contact sales, you're gonna have to contact sale and get access to your account. You just have to log in and start adding properties with unit details, lease terms, and tenants. You can then also automate rent collection with online payments and late fee rules. You can manage maintenance requests through vendor tracking and work orders, and you can also track accounting and reporting for owner statements, expenses, and audits. So basically that's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys.